Another question that gets asked in regards to our skid steer loaders is, do they come standard with a 4-in-1 bucket? And if I don't want teeth on the bucket, is that possible, right? So yes, they come standard with a 4-in-1 bucket. Basically, it's as simple as the bucket you see right here. That's standard on each machine. If you don't want teeth, it's literally a matter of unbolting them. You will have a couple of holes there, but essentially you'll have a blade there anyway, so you'll be just fine. So anyway, hopefully that answers the questions of do our machines come standard with a 4-in-1 bucket?